Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Lirisha and today I'm here to share my experience about the most viral product in the market, that is the Tirtir foundation. In this video, I will take you through the process of how I chose the perfect match for my skin tone. So let's get right into the video. I was just not able to figure out my shade seeing the numerous videos on the internet, so I decided to buy a trial kit which has 6 different shades in the medium category. So let me just swatch each of these shades on my skin. Each packet has 1 gram of product here. So I am trying 25N, 27C and 27N first. If you see, all these 3 shades have yellow undertones and they are not suiting my skin. Initially I thought 27C would suit my skin. But then I decided to keep these swatches on my face for 5 minutes before blending. So now I'll be trying 29N, 30N and 31N. My initial reaction was that 30N and 31N would be too dark for me, especially 30N. After 5 minutes, I can see that all these shades have oxidized a bit and now I'll be blending them with my finger. It was so confusing actually to choose the perfect shade because as I was blending, I was feeling that all these shades suit my skin tone. The 27N was too yellow for my face, but see how well it covered the redness on my cheeks. And even after keeping the swatches for 5 minutes, the blending process was very easy. So these are how 29N, 30N and 31N look on my face. I really like 29N and 30N on my face. 30 looked very natural. So I'm going to do a further test and going to try 27C and 27N on my forehead, and you can see how bright it looks on my face. So these are clearly out. Here I applied 30N and I really liked how well it suited my skin tone. And this side I'm trying 29N. I think I applied a little more product here and it looks like a concealer. Since my chin area had no product, I decided to try 31N. And I felt 31N would be a good match too. So here I'm trying to see how much the products oxidize after 30 minutes because a lot of influencers have spoken about the oxidation issue and here I couldn't see a big change in color. Anyway, finally I decided to try 30N on one side of my face and 29N on the other side of my face to just see which one holds well till the end of the day. And at this point I feel that 29N is my color, because I could clearly see a change in the shade of 30N. It started looking a little darker on me. Nevertheless, the finish was awesome. It looked so good. So this is how my face was looking before and how it's looking now. It covered all the redness and made my skin look amazing. So now I'll be seeing how these shades look on my face till the end of the day. This is how 29N looks on me and I really like how 30N looks on me. And this is with my flashlight. So finally I chose a shade and ordered it on the White Friday sale, and the shade I got was 29N. This is how beautiful the packaging looks. You must have seen this in many videos. And right now I'm so excited to try this on me. And at this point I'm also scared to see if this would match me or no, because it is an expensive foundation. So here we go now. I take a little bit of the foundation. And this was too little that I took, so I'm going to press in again. And as many have suggested, I'll dab the excess on the other side. And here is the moment of truth. And wow, this is perfect for my skin tone. The sponge applicator is also very good and is helping in blending perfectly. And I'm impressed with the coverage because blending in with a finger is very different than blending in with a sponge. It feels a little sticky on application, but that settles down very soon. And I'm really very happy with the shade that I have chosen. So this is how one side of my face looks before and after. So as I mentioned, I am NC41 in MAC and this is how it looks on my face. And this is how 29N looks as compared to the MAC foundation. So the internet was suggesting me 23N for NC41 and clearly that would not be my shade because it would be too bright on me. And this is how my entire face looks right now. With the foundation, it has covered all my redness and it looks very natural as well. So let's have a close-up look at how my skin looks now. And no, my skin has not transformed into glass skin. If you see up close, it looks the same, but it has covered all the redness. By the way guys, the shades that I applied on my hand yesterday are still intact, and from here you can judge how sweatproof and waterproof this cushion foundation is. I'm really impressed. And here I've just completed my makeup and this is in natural lighting. Looks so good and I'm ready to go out right now. Let's see how this foundation holds up to the Dubai heat and sweat. I'm at a restaurant now and everything is looking good. I'm finally back home and now it looks like the foundation has oxidized just a bit. So do you think this was the perfect shade for me, or I should have tried some other shade? Please do let me know in the comments. Please do like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.